The Showpark Food Hub buzzed with excitement during the two-day exhibition of World Food Day. Under the theme, The Right to Food for a Better Life and a Better Future, the event emphasized the importance of having access to nutritious foods.
We are here talking about the different foods that you should be eating, and I wouldn't say shouldn't be eating, but consuming less of. So clearly the oily and the fatty foods, the pizza, the fried chicken, the soda, the cakes and the candy, which we all love. We could just eat it a little bit less, right? And as it pertains to the local things you can find here, fever grass, breadfruit, cassava and so forth, those are the things that we can really indulge in a bit more for longevity.
At the exhibition, the Department of Culture showcased traditional food preparation utensils to highlight the deep connection between food and cultural identity.
If we're speaking about culture, food forms an essential part of that, and certainly we utilize the opportunity not just to talk about those dishes that were good from the very old days, that were healthy, allow us to be able to sustain ourselves, but more than that, we also speak to, some of those artifacts that even predates my time, things like the coal pot and so on, most certainly that our ancestors would have used as part of food preparation, and it is important.
Tobago's World Food Day celebrations were organized by the Division of Food Security, Natural Resources, the Environment, and Sustainable Development. The event also focused on food diversity and the crucial role of small farmers. The celebration was not just about food, but more about fostering a sustainable future for all. I am Julia James from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.